Your phone and mirrorless camera are terrible for real video. Shaky footage, terrible audio, and they overheat. After shooting an entire short film, I found only 5 modern camcorders deliver the stable, broadcast quality video and pro audio you need. The worst had unusable autofocus. The champion. Its large sensor, built-in ND filters, and XLR inputs made my footage look like a Netflix documentary. If you're serious about video, these 5 camcorders are non-negotiable. Starting at number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Camera. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is designed to elevate your vlogging experience. With its 1-inch CMOS sensor, you can capture stunning 4K video at 120 frames per second, perfect for breathtaking landscapes and night scenes. The 2-inch touchscreen allows you to frame your shots effortlessly, whether shooting in landscape or portrait mode. Say goodbye to shaky footage, thanks to its advanced 3-axis stabilization that ensures smooth recording during your adventures, whether you're dancing or hiking. Plus, the Active Track 6.0 feature keeps you in focus, so you can concentrate on your performance without worrying about framing. Number 2. Xtra Muse Vlogging Camera. The Xtra Edge Muse camera offers stunning video quality with its 1-inch sensor that lets you capture sharp 4K videos at up to 120 frames per second, perfect for detailed and smooth slow-motion shots. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilizer keeps your video steady, so you can move freely without worrying about shaky footage. The 2-inch touchscreen makes it easy to frame your shots, whether you prefer horizontal or vertical video. Plus, with the advanced 10-bit X-Log color mode, you can achieve vibrant colors and beautiful effects, ideal for capturing sunsets or other colorful scenes. This camera is designed to make your filming experience smooth and professional looking. Number 3. MWIRB HD Vlogging Camcorder. The MWIRB 8K vlogging camera offers stunning video quality with its 8K resolution at 15 FPS, and flexible options including 4K and 1080p for smoother recordings. You'll appreciate the 18x digital zoom and impressive 88MP image resolution for detailed photos and videos. Its 6-axis anti-shake technology keeps your footage steady, making your recordings look professional even when you're on the move. The 3-inch rotatable touchscreen lets you easily frame shots from any angle, perfect for vlogging. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi and the iSmart DV2 app, you can quickly transfer and share your content on social media. Infrared night vision also lets you capture clear videos in low light or darkness. Number 4. BREGOO Vlogging Camcorder. The BREGOO 5K vlogging camera offers stunning video clarity with its 5K resolution at 20 frames per second and 64MP photo capability, letting you capture detailed and vibrant footage for your vlogs, travel, or special events. Its 270 degrees rotatable 3-inch touchscreen makes it easy to frame selfies, low-angle shots, or group scenes from any angle. You'll appreciate the included Creator Bundle, which has everything you need to start filming right away, like a 32GB memory card, batteries, tripod, and external microphone. Plus, with Smart 16x zoom, IR night vision, and multiple recording modes, you can shoot beautiful cityscapes or nighttime adventures without missing a moment. Number 5. ZYDIIE Vlogging Camcorder. The ZYDIIE 4K vlogging camcorder lets you capture stunning 4K videos and sharp 64MP photos, making it perfect for travel, family moments, or creating content. Its 18x digital zoom helps you get close to distant subjects without losing detail, ideal for capturing landscapes or events from afar. The camcorder's infrared night vision allows you to shoot clear black and white videos even in complete darkness, so you won't miss any nighttime scenes. With a 3-inch touchscreen that rotates 270 degrees, you can easily frame shots from different angles, great for solo vloggers and creative filming. Plus, it doubles as a webcam with USB connection and includes a remote control for hands-free recording. To start capturing video that truly stands out, links to all 5 top-rated camcorders are waiting in the description. If this filmmaker's test helped you see beyond your phone, please like this video, share it with your creator friends, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell for our next review where we test cinema lenses on a budget camcorder. Thanks for watching.